Welcome back. Bookings board is where you will probably spend most of your time in, as this is your main workflow hub. There's a lot to cover, so we'll break it down into a few videos. In this one, let's go over the basics. The booking board is organized into columns. Each column represents a different status for your appointments, such as submissions, upcoming, working on, and done. When a client books an appointment or submits a form, a new card representing the client is created and appears in the appropriate column. You can simply click and drag any card from one column to another. Please remember that when you move a card away or into the upcoming and follow-up done and cancelled columns, its status will change. You can also quickly categorize cards using color labels. If you hover your mouse over a card and press the number keys 1, 2, or 3 on your keyboard, you can apply a red, green, or blue label. To clear the label, just press 0 or the backtick key. It's a fast way to visually group or prioritize your work. When you click on any card, it opens up a detailed view with everything you need to know about that client and their appointment. We'll explore that detailed view in the next video. Finally, at the top of the board, you have a search bar to quickly find any appointment. You can search for any content that is stored in the form fields. For example, if you store client's first name or last name, you can search for that name, and the board quickly reacts and shows the remaining cards that best match the cards that are stored. For example, if you ask your clients to submit their email address or a serial number of their device or their age or their condition, you can just search for that term and it will show all those clients with those contents. There is also a board settings button. We'll cover the powerful features inside board settings like data import and customizing card titles in a later video.